How would you like to learn and experience how we make 10,000 Rand a month using only 30 minutes a day of our own time? Or if we're going to go the US route, we could be making $1,500 per month using 30 minutes a day of our own time. It's exactly what we do, and it's exactly what we want to be showing you. Not only will you get access to the education required to implement something like this for yourself, but you'll get your full investment payback, plus a fixed return, and we're even going to help you when it comes to setting up your own Airbnb for yourself. Think about that. For those who join us early, in the next 12 months, you'll have the experience and the education needed to build an additional income stream for yourself for the rest of your life. You could be saving for retirement, add as a side hustle, or create your own full-time business out of it. These strategies are scalable. This opportunity we're presenting to you has it all. My name is Michael Bowen, and together with my business partner, Jacques Toy, we've got over 20 years of experience each, as well as the necessary education to be successful in property investing. We also have our own online property trading platform where we've brought together industry leaders in their own niches to provide multiple training courses for investors. But what we noticed is that education alone was not the answer, for new investors especially. It needs both education and experience, real life experience to be successful. But the chasm between these two was often insurmountable for new and aspiring investors. The barriers to entry were just too high. Hell, it's even tough for experienced investors looking to try out a new strategy. So we decided to de-risk it for you, to give you both the education and the experience. And it's going to be a game changer for those who join us. So if you're looking to get out of that proverbial rat race or retire early or build an additional income stream, now is your chance for you and your family. And that's not an empty promise. That is literally what we are already doing, and we'll be showing you how to do that same thing for yourself over the next few years. The plan is simple and concise. We're going to scale our already existing portfolio for the next 2 to 3 years, starting with the first few units very soon. So if that sounds interesting to you, register your interest below and we'll start sending information related to this deal. Look, just the last one. I'm not asking you to trust me blindly here. We'll share all the information with this deal with serious investors to change their life. I'm looking forward to meeting some of you very soon, and I hope you have a great day.